What's going on, everybody? This is AB2 Phones checking in with y'all. So this is going to be a very quick video, super quick video, and this is of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra jet black colorway. So scrolling through YouTube, I see that there's not a lot of videos about the jet black colorway, so I decided let me not be lazy and make this video. So here it is, and this is an online exclusive colorway, and I think if you're getting this phone through a carrier, you can only get the titanium black, which the titanium black has a lighter metal on the side, which is not true black. It's almost like a two-tone, which, you know, that's pretty crazy because a lot of people just want the all black. Specifically, that's what I want. I just want all black. So it's like every phone I get all black, and I'm just glad that this one is here. Yeah, so I picked up the jet black colorway, and I spent way too much of my savings on this phone. So drop a like if you want to help me out, but if not, that's cool. But here it is. This is the jet black, just for y'all to see, because this is exactly what I was looking for on YouTube, actually. And I understand that the S25 is pretty lackluster when it comes to new features because it's pretty much the same as the last year phone, but this phone is really beautiful though. That's the one thing I think that this phone has going for it, is it's absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. The sides are a frosted metal and the back has a frosted glass too, so there's no glossiness on this phone. The sides are not glossy, and that's huge because, you know, me personally, I really get oily hands, and having those glossy sides really just make the phone uncomfortable, and this frosted side just feels so much better. And I also like the camera rings. It looks like the Z Fold camera rings, and I love it. I honestly love it. I think that this phone looks absolutely amazing. Again, very premium, very beautiful, matte black, everything. And this phone just came in today. It came pretty early, and I'm running a ton of tests, especially about the Qi 2 standard. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned. That's going to be my next video out, because Samsung's been really iffy about, does this have Qi 2, does it not? So I do have a bunch of Qi 2 chargers, wireless chargers, and I will be testing them out to see if there's any difference between the Qi 2 chargers and the Qi 1 chargers. So yeah, we understand that if you put a case on it, you get the magnetic attachment. The most important question is, does it charge at 15 watts though? So that's the test I'm running probably right now. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So if you're looking for a good montage, good b-roll of the jet black colorway, here it is. I did my best to get some good shots, so you're welcome guys if you're looking for that. And yeah, before I forget, the S Pen is not all the way black. This is a light gray, so the S Pen is going to be the same color as the titanium colorway, even though you're getting the jet black, all black color. All right, that's it. So stay tuned for the charger reviews. I'll have a ton of videos about the charging on this phone. Stay tuned for the case reviews. I'll have a couple videos about the cases. I got some Banks cases and I got the official case, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see some pretty cool Android applications, click the first link down below, and I will talk to y'all next time.